Yo, just bought this microwave from Walmart. $68, if I remember right. Couldn't figure out how to set the clock for a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm gonna just go straight to the clock function. First, you hit clock. It's gonna tell you military. It's gonna tell you military time or standard time. 12 is standard. 24 is military. I'm gonna set mine for standard time. Sorry, it's early. Let's say it's 5 o'clock. You click it. First, you go there to whatever time you want it to be, and I'm gonna say 5 o'clock. And all you do is hit start. Just really that simple. I kept hitting clock over and over and over, and what had happened is this. I'd be like, That's all I kept getting. And it's so simple. All you gotta do is just go. It's 8:04 right now in my time, so I'm just gonna set it. Oh yeah, first I'm gonna stop it, then I'll set it again, and it's 8:04. I got class in the morning, so I just want to show you how to do this. It's really that simple. You see everything? Thank you.